We always like to be in the bright side of life. Knowing the truth is one side of it. For centuries, cinnamon was recognized to be one of the oldest and superb spices around the world due to its countless health benefits. The story that I'm going to tell you today will definitely shock you. Did you know that there's something called true cinnamon and fake cinnamon? Most of the shops will sell you fake cinnamon, but the seller and the buyer both may not know the difference. Fake cinnamon is basically Cassia. Its botanical name is Cinnamomum aromaticum. True cinnamon is nothing but Cinnamomum zeylanicum. True cinnamon only grows in Sri Lanka and northeast part of India, while Cassia is imported from China, Vietnam and Indonesia. It's cheap, commonly available and sold. So, how can we differentiate true cinnamon from fake cinnamon? You can mainly differentiate it from its stick. While fake cinnamon stick has two tunnels inside it, the true cinnamon has many spirals inside the stick. It's freely breakable and fragile than fake cinnamon as it doesn't break very easily. As true cinnamon is very fragile, cinnamon powder can be made easily at home, while it's not possible to make cinnamon powder at home from Cassia. True cinnamon powder is light brown in color while Cassia is dark brown in color. So let's see what's around us.
කිලෝ ගන්න නෑනේ මේක තමයි තියෙන්නේ. කීයද කිලෝ කිය 6යි නේ? 6යි ගන්න කිලෝ එකක් ගන්නන 3700 ගන්න. කිලෝ කීයක්ද වෙන්නේ? 3700 4000ට තුනක් දෙකක් ගන්න. යාට දෙන විශේෂ හොඳේ වගේ. ගන්න.
Remember, long-term use of fake cinnamon, which contains high levels of coumarin, will cause headaches, liver derangements, kidney disease and digestive problems. So use true cinnamon, else don't use cinnamon at all. Let's also look at some of the health benefits in long-term consumption of true cinnamon. Cinnamon for hair. It's believed to stimulate the scalp and increase blood circulation. The effect is said to be the same as minoxidil, which is prescribed for hair loss. Antiviral, antifungal, and antibacterial properties prevent fungal and bacterial infection of the scalp, stimulating hair follicles. Cinnamon for diabetes and cholesterol. Cinnamon contains calcium, iron, manganese, vitamin K, and dietary fiber. Numerous trials done has shown cinnamon reducing short-term and long-term plasma glucose levels. One of the causes for diabetes is obesity. Cinnamon has been found to help with weight control by lowering total cholesterol and both LDL and triglycerides. Cinnamon for arthritis and sinusitis. Cinnamaldehyde and other anti-inflammatory chemicals found in cinnamon helps to downregulate inflammatory cytokines and prevent tissue damage and protect joints. It also helps to relieve symptoms of sinusitis. Cinnamon for fatty liver. Fatty liver has become a serious health burden everywhere in the world. Regular use of cinnamon extracts has shown to reduce lipid peroxidase, an enzyme mainly responsible in accumulation of fat in the liver, thus can help cure fatty liver disease. Cinnamon as a blood thinner. Cassia contains high levels of coumarin. Daily consumption can increase the risk of hemorrhagic strokes and bleeding. Cinnamon is said to reduce menstrual cramps, gastric problems like nausea, diarrhea, intestinal upset, and gastritis, and also helps to improve symptoms of toothache. Inhaling cinnamon fragrance or chewing cinnamon flavored gum was found to improve cognitive performance of adults. Studies done for Alzheimer's, a degenerative condition of brain which impairs memory, strongly suggest chemical compounds found in cinnamon like cinnamaldehyde could either benefit directly in treating Alzheimer's disease or help in discovering other potential therapies. So please be aware and share this video with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more weekly videos like this.